Hello, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 2.1. Dark tiles D and light tiles L are used to create patterns on a floor. The first four patterns are shown below. For the patterns that follow, the tiles are arranged in a similar manner. How many dark tiles were used in pattern 5? Right, let's check the number of dark tiles here. So we have 1 in the first pattern, 3 in the second pattern, 5 in the third pattern, 7 in the fourth pattern. So how many tiles were used in the fifth pattern? Let's check here. We have 1, 3, 5, 7. So if you check, there's a common difference here. If you say 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1, we get 2. Then 5 minus 3, we get 2. And then 7 minus 5, we get 2. So it means the fifth pattern must be 9 because the difference must be 2. If you say 7 plus 2, you get 9. So this is 9 there.